In this video, I'm going to show you how to play multiple accounts on Clash of Clans. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Clash of Clans application on your device. In here, just go ahead and head over to the settings section by clicking on the settings icon in between the shop and the layout button. Now in here, go ahead and click on the open beside your Supercell ID name to be able to open this on your sidebar. In here, go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top left corner of your screen, and this will take you to the Supercell ID settings. Now in here, go ahead and click on the switch account button to be able to switch your accounts and add multiple accounts on your Clash of Clans application. So in here, just go ahead and click on the login to Supercell ID to be able to add your other Supercell ID or your other Clash of Clans account. Now you can simply switch between these two accounts once you have added your Supercell ID in this section, and you'll be able to play on multiple accounts through that using the same device and the same application on your device. And that's how you can simply play multiple accounts on Clash of Clans. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.